Hey y'all, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 9. Today we're doing one of my favorite things, a full DIY self-care day. And this is a self-care reset. Yes ma'am. Because listen, the teacher tired is real. Holiday stress can get real. And your girl needs to get herself together. So we're shaving, exfoliating, washing and styling this hair, dermaplaning, clay masking, lash clusters, the works. And a lot of this stuff will help me save time when I'm getting ready in the mornings and just less stuff that I have to do to be cute. A full glow up at home. Let's get into it.
Before any self-care routine, I have to set the vibe. Candles lit, fresh towel, robe on. We're doing this right. And when I'm doing my self-care, I like to listen to a book. I know I'm a nerd. Most people like music, but for me, I'm going to listen to a good book, and my go-to app is Audible or Libby. For my self-care night, I started with a hot shower to loosen up my skin. I shaved using my favorite razor and conditioner because I don't use shaving cream anymore, and that's what I had on hand. Then I followed up with a body scrub to get everything super smooth. I exfoliate before and after. Next up, the hair. I wash my hair 3 times to loosen up any product buildup and also the glue that I use to add the tracks to my hair. And I deep conditioned. I used 2. One for added moisture because it's winter time and my hair has been dry, as well as one with protein to strengthen my hair since I've done a lot to color it. And after rinsing, I add in my leave-ins and my oils. And I use heat protectant because I knew that I would be heat styling my hair with the blow dryer, flat iron, and a curler. And then I went ahead and started styling. And for me, what I've noticed is that once I heat curl my hair, it is important that I use rollers to set it. And to give me that fullness on top, I have these 8 to 10 inch wefts that I use to add a little bit more fullness and length to the top of this cut. And then I just use this razor comb to go back and make sure that I have layers and that it's not too long in certain areas, and just to even it out. Hair is done. She's fluffy, she's moisturized, she's thriving, and cute. Now, let's get into dermaplaning. I love doing this once a month to get rid of peach fuzz and help my skincare and makeup go on smoother. Always start with clean, dry skin and use short, gentle strokes. I actually like to use a little bit of coconut oil or any other oil that I have on hand to help the blade glide a little bit smoother on my face. I don't like to do it dry. Once the mask was rinsed off and I was moisturized, I added a few lash clusters. This will save me time in the morning because I don't have to apply strip lashes or put on mascara. I love that for me. These give that soft glam look without doing too much. I love how these just open up my eye.
y'all, that is my DIY self-care night all done. This is the final look. I am going to put in my Velcro rollers to keep the volume and the curl in the top of my hair, and put on my scarf to protect my hair while I sleep. But this is how I will be looking, okay? So now I have to do less. I could literally show up like this. I feel good. Might just need to put on a little bit of concealer, but even the under eye darkness is gone. This was exactly what I needed today. Thanks for hanging out with me for Vlogmas Day 9. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 10. Bye.